Hi, it's Glenda here from AAA Web Design. Today we're going to talk about adding images or media to your WordPress website. I'm already on my page, and this is just a testing website where I've used lorem ipsum text, which is called dummy text for display purposes only. First of all, place the cursor at the place where the image is to go. It doesn't matter if it's going left or right at this point, we can change that later. So click there. Click on the Add Media at the top of the text box, and this will open into your media library. If the image has already been uploaded, you can always select it from here, but we're going to select one from our computer. So click on Upload Files, then click Select Files. And I've got some images on my desktop, so I'm going to choose one of those. So I'm going to choose this image at the moment. So you can see that that's loaded quite quickly, and the reason why it loaded quickly is because it's only 87 kilobytes. It's an 800 pixels by 450 pixels, which is a good size, but the most important part is not to upload an image that's megabytes or 500 kilobytes. Always make sure that they're less than 100 kilobytes for loading quicker. Also, you notice that the title is picked up here by the name of the image that's on your computer. It's probably a good idea to change that before you upload it, but in this case I didn't do that, so we'll change that now. So you might have a website for landscaping or something like that, because this image is a landscape. So we'll put garden, backyard landscaping. I'll just add a D in there, and then we'll copy and paste that into the alt text. The alt text is very important because Google doesn't read images, it only reads text. So you must put something in there, and these are helping with your optimization. Further down, we go to alignment. So this is where you would choose whether you want the image to be right or left or center. So we're going to leave it at right. If you wanted to link the image to a custom URL, that would be this one here. Say the image was a logo. So this one here, this is a logo, and you wanted the logo when it was clicked on to go to that company's website. So then you would put their domain name in this box here, and when the person clicked on it, it will go to their website. And here, but going back to the link to, we're not going to link it to anything. If you wanted to have an image that was small on your website but was clickable so that the person could have an enlarged view of it, this is where you would click media file. But we're going to, actually we will leave it at media file. So because it's a smaller image on the website, we'll make it larger so the person can click on it, and I'll show you that later. So we can make it a medium size image and then insert into the page. So here's the image here. So I'm going to update that, and then we're going to view the page, and I'll show you what I mean by enlarging the image. So here we're on view page. And there's the image. As I hover across the page, you'll notice that the cursor turns into a pointer. So whenever that happens, that means that you can click on it and make sure that it's enlarged. Okay, to get back to your page, we go into the black line. Whenever you see that black line, that means that on that particular tab, you're logged in. So just click on Edit Page. So we're back on the page now. If you wanted the image to be a little bit larger than that, you could just click on the image and drag the corners out a little bit. Another way of doing that is to click on Edit, which brings you here so you can change the width, and you can see that as I'm doing that it's changing here. So if I make that 500, or I can even type 500, it changes the height. Another thing I mentioned before was having the image, when it's clicked on, to go to another person's website. Sometimes this option can be closed. So if it is going to another person's website, you can open this and click in there to say open link in a new tab. You wouldn't do that if it was staying on your website, only if the image is going to be going to someone else's website. So today we're not doing that, so I'm going to unclick it and update again. So that's how you add an image to your website. Keep watching for more videos.